In this unit we're going to take a look at the temporary hide and isolate tools. Now I will be taking you through step by step how they work, but just a very quick overview of what they do. So to hide an element or temporarily hide it in a view, I can do that. That gives us better access to the inside of this model. Likewise, to isolate, let's say this door for example, I can isolate an element and now we see nothing but that element in this particular view. Now I've just shown you a very quick example of both hiding and isolating temporarily elements in a view. Let's take that at a much slower pace and go through that step by step. So we'll start by temporarily hiding an element. So the tools for temporarily hiding and isolating are all contained in this single icon down on the view control bar, and you'll notice that icon is a pair of glasses or sunglasses, and that contains everything you need. So if I click on that there, it's greyed out at the moment because I've got nothing selected, but you can see the options here. So let's start with temporarily hiding an element. So first of all, select the element you want to temporarily hide. Now hit the sunglasses icon and you can choose hide element, and the element is temporarily hidden from the view. Now as soon as you temporarily hide or isolate any element in a view, you will get this border around your view and it says temporary hide and isolate. That is to remind you that at least one element is being either hidden or isolated in this view, so it's a reminder. That won't go away until you reset the temporary hide and isolate status of the elements, and I'll show you that later on in the unit. So let's go ahead and isolate an element, exactly the same. Let's choose that door there. Sunglasses, we're going to isolate the element, and now we see nothing in this view but the doors that we've just isolated. Okay, so you've used the temporary hide and isolate to either hide some elements or isolate some elements in your view. You've worked on that view and now you need to reset the view back, showing all the elements in place. I'm going to show you how to do that now. Just before we do that, I just want to remind you, when you've got any elements temporarily hidden or isolated, you will have this border around the view and the words temporary hide and isolate. You will also notice that the icon has a blue background. It's got a little box behind it. So to reset it, just click on the sunglasses icon and reset temporary hide and isolate at the bottom there. Everything comes back into view. The border disappears from the view and the sunglasses go to a clear lenses. They were black before, so they've gone back to clear glass now. So everything's displayed as it was before you use the temporary hide and isolate tools. Okay, let's finish off this unit with some real world examples of when you may use these tools. So in my project here, let's say I need to take a quick look inside the building. We need to review the furniture layout, for example. So all I need to do is select the roof element, temporary hide and isolate, and hide this element, and now we can see inside our model, make adjustments to the furniture, check out the position of some internal walls if there was any in this particular model. So got immediate access to the inside of the building. So when we finished with that, let's reset temporary hide and isolate, and let's take the glaze screen at the front here. So again, I can select the curtain wall and isolate this element, and now we can see the glaze screen in detail. We may want to adjust the position of the curtain grid lines. We may want to play around with different mullion types. So now we can very clearly see and access the whole curtain wall without the other model elements getting in the way. When we're finished, Again, sunglasses icon, reset temporary hide and isolate, brings everything back.
And that completes this unit. To get the most out of this training material, please take the complete course online at bimscape.com. Here you will find a complete learning management system that allows you to work through the course at your own pace. Comprehensive written tutorials provide additional information to that found in the training videos. Mark each unit as complete as you finish it and move on to the next. At any point you can return to any of the units you have previously completed to go over the material again. If you'd like to take this course online, please visit www.bimscape.com/Revit for details.